Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a withdrawal on the new Solmax back office. So the first thing you want to do is head over to my profile. Then you want to click on payments. So once you're on the payment section, it's very important to add your crypto address to the crypto wallets. Now you have the option for the BTC address, the Ethereum address, or the SMG address as well, which is the same as the Ethereum address too. So either one can work. Once you put in your address, you simply enter your transaction password and then you click submit. Once you've done that, your details will be saved. So you head over to the dashboard, click on cash account, and then you can make a withdrawal request. So you can withdraw to the crypto wallet. You simply select your address. Your address will appear right here. You enter the amount. The minimum amount is $25. You click submit, and then you enter your transaction password one last time and complete. Great. So once you've done that, you can now see that your withdrawal is in process.